in order to fear and to hope. The rhythm of my heart is the birth and death of all that are alive. I am the mayfly metamorphizing on the surface of the river. I am also the bird which, when spring comes, arrives in time to eat the mayfly. I am a frog swimming happily in the clear water of a pond. I am also the grass snake who, approaching in silence, feeds itself on the frog. I am the child in Uganda, all skin and bones, my legs as thin as bamboo sticks. I am also the merchant of arms selling deadly weapons to Uganda. I am the 12-year-old girl refugee on a small boat who throws herself into the ocean after being raped by a sea pirate. I am also the pirate, my heart not yet capable of seeing and loving. I am a member of the Politburo with plenty of power in my hands. I am also the man who has to pay his debt of blood to my people, dying slowly in a forced labor camp. My joy is like spring, so warm it makes flowers bloom in all walks of life. My pain is like a river of tears, so full it fills up all the 4 oceans. Please, call me by my correct names so that I can hear at the same time all my cries and my laughs, so that I could see that my joy and my pain are but one. Please, call me by my correct names so that I could become awake, so that the door of my heart be left open, the door of compassion. Who is it that you don't love? Who is it that your heart closes to? Yourself? Someone else? The practice is clear. You start a practice. I've kidded a lot about that at one point I saw that there was somebody who closed my heart, and his name was Caspar Weinberger, and he was the Secretary of Defense. And I didn't like what he was doing, and I didn't like him. I thought he was a righteous jerk. So I thought, I've got work to do with Caspar. So I took a picture of Caspar and I stuck it on my puja table. And there was Buddha and Christ and the Divine Mother and Mary and Anandamayi and Caspar Weinberger. And in the morning, I'd light my candle and my incense, and Buddha. Oh, Christ. Maharaji. Anandamayi Ma. Hello, Caspar. I saw how far I had to go. Okay? And it was just a practice of seeing this poor schlep of a soul who had this really heavy-duty incarnation to go through of being a jerk. And I was busy responding to the incarnation rather than to the essence. And it was like the 2 levels. It's like having bifocals and you're looking down when you should be looking up. What you find, though, is that there are people that represent things that are so close to stuff that you're stuck with, attached to. that you project outward into them and then you hate them. It's all projection, actually. And as Lama Surya Das said, rest your weary mind. Rest your weary mind. And keep coming back into the quality of awareness, which is really the quality of love. It's the quality of merged love. There's an incredible poem. It's called From a Norman Crucifix, 1632, by Charles Cosley. This poem is God love talking to you. I am the great sun, but you do not see me. I am your husband, but you turn away. I am the captive, but you do not free me. I am the captain, you will not obey. I am the truth, but you will not believe me. I am the city where you will not stay. I am your wife, your child, but you will leave me. I am that